The autumn season described by Muhammad Nurtaj Islam. The autumn season. After the rain comes the autumn. Bhadro and Ashin are the months of this season. Rain is not so copious. The sky is clear. White clouds float in the sky. People, especially the farmers, look happy because they go to the market with lots of jute and earn money. The Hindus perform their Durga Puja in this season. The late autumn. The autumn rolls into the late autumn. It is the season of dew and farmers look happy. They are busy in harvesting. They perform the Novanna. It also hints the arrival of winter.